lift it from the center so you have more leverage. Clear the spring all the way over. Lift up the back all the way. Close the lid. And when you close the lid, you're going to tuck in on either side of the frame here, the covers. Control that side. And you're going to latch the back of the top first. Lift it up slightly so it's on the deck here. And you'll see the clamps. There's a little clamp here on each side that will fit under. And once it's under there, you'll be able to close it. One side. Got both sides down, and once you've done that, you'll secure the front. You're just going to bring it right down here, clip it like that, goes up. And then you want to make sure that the peg is in the hole. Flip it like that. Oops. There you go. And your soft top is latched. To get the soft top down, do everything opposite. So you release the header clamps, make sure they're clear. And when you do that, you can lift up the front so it loosens it a little bit. So you can lift up the clamps on the rear, one side, and then the other. Then you lift up the back, open up the deck, and gently top down. Clamps on down. Okay. And then close your rear deck until it latches. These down. And that is how you get the soft top up and down. Okay, so once you have placed the top, rear deck, on top of the rear deck first, there's two male pins, one on either side of the back glass. You're going to set those in the hole on either side first. Once you've done that, top should sit right on the deck and sit on the front header like this. You're going to secure the back of the top first, just like with the soft top. And right here. Just going to do it hand sweep. And once it's secure, you're going to close the headers, latches just like the soft top. It works the same way. There's one. We got two, and that's all she wrote. When you take the hardtop off, you're going to do the same thing in reverse. You're going to loosen the header latches.
I think I stopped it.
All right, well,
it's still going.
Okay, so you're going to loosen the header latches, then undo the bolt, and then once you've done that, you just take one person on each side, gently lift it up, and then walk it over the car. And that's it.